on the Federal Records label, in comes a thing by Keith Lynn and Ken Lazarus with a tune called I Don't Love You Anymore.
Why don't you wake up and face the facts? Our love's going on the rocks. You've been untrue to me. Now I'm gonna set you free. You found another guy, but I'm sure that I won't cry, 'cause I don't love you anymore, and I don't want you anymore. So bye, bye, baby, I'm gone. I know it's better for us to part. I should have known right from the start. Your love was not for me. Our party was meant to be. But I'll find that girl someday. So once more I'm gonna say that I don't love you anymore, and I don't want you anymore. So bye, bye, baby, I'm gone.
Yes, that was Keith Lynn and Ken Lazarus with I Don't Love You Anymore. So pack your things, girl, and get on out through my door. Boy, man, them cool. Anyway, we're going to keep the ball rolling. Okay, yeah, the oldies but goodies, Federal Records, saying those were the ska era. And I'm telling you, we're going to keep it rocking and keep it locking. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. Can't you tell? Okay, we're going to keep it locked. Keep it locked to Solid Rock, okay? Yeah.